Hi guys, my name is Regina and welcome to Vlogmas Day 8. So in today's video, I am going to paint an aloe plant. So yeah, because that's what I have. I didn't really vlog today because I forgot to charge my phone. So yeah, I'm just gonna go and upload this video, and I hope you find this video helpful. If you like it, please give me a like and hit the like button, and then subscribe if you want to see more art videos. So yeah, let's get on with the video, guys. See you tomorrow. Yeah. Okay, so first I start mixing some type of medium green or any green you like. Yeah, I recommend it to be not too dark at first. So I'm first drawing the shape of the leaves of the aloe, and then after that I add another layer of green, and then I mix a darker green, and by darker I mean I just added some blue to my green and it made it darker. So I'm just adding some darker colors now towards the edges of the aloe leaf to create the, you know, those shadows. See, I'm still mixing my blue here to make it darker, and then I'm just adding more green. Then I created this pointy, like the thorn, by just mixing some type of, I think I mixed green and red here, and it made it like a brownish green, and I used that for the thorns. Then I just added, you know, darker green again to darken some of the areas, like towards the edge of the leaf, to create more shadows. So that's my aloe plant. I hope you guys find this video helpful, and yeah, see you tomorrow again. Okay, see you guys. Peace.
Right.